Hey you guys, I think I'm just gonna clean out the fridge. Does sriracha go bad? How often are we supposed to switch out this baking soda thing? Does anybody actually do that? Is it safe to have 2 of these in here? Evangeline, is this your Titanic box set? Oh, I forgot we had these in here. Oh. Why can't squeezable almond milk be a thing? When is Deborah going to pick up her ice? Oh no. Somebody left their driver's license and the cream cheese again. Jedediah, can we please move this to your room? I'm not sure why all of these are in here. Oh. My applesauce! Oh. Remember when we went through that spinach tortellini phase? How crazy. I never did like soup. Ugh, we have so much barbecue sauce. Maybe I'll make a nice salad later. Oh, Margaret! I found your Game Boy! Ugh, Jebediah, you can't keep all this in here. There's no room for my scooter. Hey guys, do you think we need more Kool-Aid jammers? Patricia, good news! I found my Cool Whip. It wasn't you who took it after all. Sorry for shooting you. Okay, all clean. Should we clean out the storage compartment beneath the chaise lounge next? I think so.